So this video is about the endocrine system and hormones and such, which will hopefully get me a good grade. The endocrine system is a collection of ductless glands that secrete hormones, which allow cells to communicate with one another. Hormones have a powerful impact on our daily lives. Millions get insulin shots for diabetes. They even fatten up livestock and are used in cosmetics to keep skin smooth. When glands secrete hormones, they diffuse throughout the body and eventually bump into their target cells. Protein hormones like epinephrine, or more commonly known as adrenaline, will attach to a receptor on the target cell's membrane, which will trigger a signal transduction pathway to occur, involving G proteins and other receptors and such that will get a secondary messenger like CAMP. So then that is sent to the nucleus and causes DNA to start up protein production or whatever the hormone wanted. However, for steroid hormones like testosterone, they can get past the target cell's plasma membrane and into the actual cell. They attach to a receptor in either the cytoplasm or inside the nucleus, which will bring the hormone to the DNA and cause production of whatever protein is needed. There are quite a few glands that hormones are secreted from into the bloodstream to travel throughout the body, and these glands aren't really connected to one another like the nervous system is. Several are located on the brainstem, like the hypothalamus, which releases growth hormone that, of course, causes cell growth throughout the whole body. Then there is the thyroid gland in the throat. This gland secretes calcitonin, which lowers the calcium level in the blood. On the other hand, the parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormones, which causes the calcium level to increase in the blood. This helps keep the concentration balanced, and quite a few hormones are paired off like that, such as insulin and glycogen, both secreted by the pancreas. Insulin lowers the glucose in the blood, while glycogen raises the level. There are other important glands, such as the adrenal glands, the gonads, and the pineal glands, which produce melatonin that is involved with the biological rhythms. So basically the light and dark cycles. The adrenal glands are adjacent to the kidney and are made up of two different glands, the adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. The flight or fight response is stimulated by two hormones the adrenal medulla gives off, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These also function as neurotransmitters. Both positive and negative stress causes the adrenal medulla to secrete these hormones, which cause your heart to beat faster and increase the rate of glycogen to be broken down, along with many other effects common to that. There are three different mechanisms that cause hormones to be secreted from the glands. The humoral is in response to a change in ion or nutrient levels in the blood. Neural is the stimulation of nerves, while humoral is stimulated by other hormones. When hormones are at an imbalance, they can lead to diseases such as diabetes, which is caused by the lack of insulin. Goiters are caused by the swelling of the thyroid gland, as a result of an iodine deficiency. Graves' disease is a common form of hyperthyroidism where the thyroid secretes too much hormone. This can cause protruding eyes, high blood pressure, weight loss, and profuse sweating. Now that the actual teaching is done, you can go on to the quiz and answer the questions.